welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we got another synthetic wig review. And this is another Outre unit from the Melted Hairline collection. One of my faves. Now this unit received a ton of raves, positive raves and reviews about a little over a year ago. Yeah. This is the infamous KAMIYAH, y'all. Yes, I have been holding on to KAMIYAH for over a year. Can you believe it? Like, I don't even know why. Anywho, we're here now. And I'm bringing you two different colors today. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and the styling of KAMIYAH. Cinnamon Mocha. Super beautiful color, as we already know. I know I've had this color before and like, whew, I love this color. It is so beautiful and complimentary on all skin types. Like, it's just a beautiful color. Now, as we know, this unit received so much hype, so much rave in 2020. I think she was hot and heavy like mid 2020. But I finally got my hands on her at the end of 2020 and I've had her ever since, y'all. Yeah, I be holding on to wigs like that. I don't know why. Like, you know, once the hype has died down, I'm like, okay, let me keep moving on. And then I'll be like, I'll circle back later. And so here we are, circling back later. We are now all the way in 2022, a whole year later and more. So, love the style. I can see what all the hype was about for sure. Beautiful hairline. It is definitely pre-plucked slightly. I didn't pre-pluck anything. The parting space is nice. I did take the lace so that it blends with me. So that was helpful. I just feel like it's a beautiful unit. We got these nice little layers going on here with the little swoop back action. Now, I don't think they match though. I feel like one side is done a little better than the other. Like, this side is working. I feel like this side is giving me justice, but this side is not so cooperative. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, not a fan of this side, so I feel like there's no consistency there. Yeah, I know I'm gonna keep it real. I mean, most of you already have this wig, so you probably don't have any issues with her from the jump. But for those who don't, and who she's brand new to, you know, I'm gonna give you the real tea, okay? But all in all, super cute. Very spacious cap. Probably a little too spacious for my small to medium sized head. Measuring at 21.5 inches. It's quite spacious. I had to cut off a lot of extra lace, but that's okay. I'd rather it be too big than too small. This unit is definitely shiftable. You can shift her to a left side or right side part. I decided to keep her in the middle. I'll probably shift the second wig that I try on here momentarily. I have been getting a ton of shedding with this unit. Quite a bit. No tangling though, so we're not shangling, but we are shedding, sis. Yes, ma'am. All right, so I just wanted to come on here and show you this color at least and give you a few of my thoughts on the actual wig itself. All right, y'all, so this is the second color in Hazelnut Honey. Ooh, Ooh, child, this color is so gorgeous. I am feeling this one. So I did do just a few different things to this one than I did with the other one. So with this one, I did go ahead and pluck some more of the hairline. Yeah, y'all know how I do. I was like, I'm not gonna pluck the other one. You know, I feel like if I'm gonna melt it, I gotta pluck it. If I'm not gonna melt it, you know, I be straddling the plucking fence. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't. But because I knew I was gonna melt this one, or this color, I had to pluck it just a little bit more, y'all. I am really loving this one, y'all. Like, the melt is so nice. Because of this beautiful hairline, even though I plucked it some more, but I feel like the hairline is still nice even if you don't pluck it. There are a lot of non-pluckers out there, I get it. You don't have to pluck this one, sis. I'm just extra, so don't mind me. Don't mind me at all. Another thing I did with this unit was obviously shift her, because I am a right side chick. I was like, okay, you know, I feel like I've been doing a lot of middle parts lately. I need to get back to my right side part. So that's what I did with this, and I love it as a right side part, y'all. I feel like the layers fall a little bit better this way. You know, I kind of had that little offset with the other colors, but you know, this way I feel like we're flowing. We're flowing a lot better. Ooh, she is so cute, y'all. Golly, this little hazelnut honey. This hazelnut honey. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I can't keep my hands out of this hair. This texture, something I didn't mention with the other one. Amazing. It has like that mixture of the light Yaki with the light Silky. Beautiful texture. Although I'm still getting a lot of shedding with this one too. I got shedding with the other color. I'm definitely getting shedding with this one as well. And I've even caught a few more snags in this one. Not right now, it's like hit or miss. But I have caught a few more snags in this one than I did with the other color. And of course, that probably is because of this lighter color. One other thing I did with this one that I didn't do with the other one, I did tint the other one using my Kiss Cream Foundation, but this one I actually decided to go in and tint it with my True Match Lace Conceal Spray. And y'all have seen this product in so many other different videos. I use this all the time, and I feel like it gives me the best tint. Over any other tint I've used, it gives me the best tint. So I was like, no, we're gonna melt right today, okay? So I mean, like, that's really it. I just wanted to at least point out all of the different things that I did with this one that I did not do with the other one. Everything else is pretty much applicable. Like I already mentioned it. So everything else is pretty much the same as the other one. I just wanted to at least point out what I did differently. So of course, y'all know I want to know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this one. I know she's like she's not even an oldie, but she's always gonna be a goodie. She has been a top fave for a long time of many wig wearers, okay? Many of my wig baes love this unit, and now I have experience and I can honestly see why. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me these stars right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I already love and appreciate you for that, honey. Well, I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.